Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into Onedrive, use your Microsoft account, and make sure the folder you want to share is synced or uploaded. Once done, locate the folder in the OneDrive web or desktop app and right-click it to reveal sharing options. This gets you straight into permissions. Make sure to choose whether recipients should have edit or view rights, because that choice controls changes and security. You will modify link settings next to fine-tune expiration or password controls if needed. Now you create the share link and configure its scope and permissions. Click Share, then pick anyone, people in your org, or specific people. Each option changes who can access the folder, so pick carefully. Next, toggle editing on or off. Disabling edit prevents accidental changes. Click Link Settings to add an expiration date, require a password, or block downloads for sensitive files. Once configured, copy the link or enter email addresses to send invitations directly. A quick preview helps. Finish by sending the link and verifying access. You can paste the link into email or chat, or enter recipients in OneDrive and hit send so they get a notification. After sending, test the link in an incognito window or a different account to confirm permissions behave as expected. If something goes wrong, open Manage Access on the folder to revoke links, change permissions, or remove specific people. This fixes most issues and keeps your files secure without deleting anything.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.